Hi there, my name is Kaleem, and in this video we are going to learn how we can create QR code in Canva. So first step is go to the design, then customize a size. I am going to select 100,000 by 1000. You can see my current unit is pixel, so I am going to create a design. So you will see that your design or your document will be open in new window with untitled design. Also, if you want to rename it, then you can select on untitled design to QR code design. So go to the left hand side and you can see there is app. Select app, then scroll down, you will see QR code, then select QR code. And the purpose of creating QR code is you want to create QR code for your website, for your profile. That profile should be LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, or that could be anything. So in this example I am going to type here google.com. I am going to create QR code for google.com, then going to select. Also you can customize your QR code color and background as well. I am going to leave these two options as it is. I am going to generate QR code. So you can see our QR code is selected. We have done the job. The next step is to share or download high quality QR code. So if you want to download high quality QR code, then go to the download option, then increase the size of your PNG and select transparent background. So click on download. You can see your download is downloaded. So I am going to show you my QR code. So this one, as you will select, your QR code will be appear in front of your window. As you can see, this QR code is high quality QR code, and you can insert your QR code on business card or whatever you can add. In this way you can generate your QR code with the help of Canva. Thanks for watching.